So on your math journal page, you're going to write a number story like I did earlier. Your number story could either be one that you would draw a picture with an array or one where you would draw a picture with equal groups. That's up to you. For 2 and 3, you can't really do that part. It's kind of the same as the dice practice that we were doing. So if you did the dice practice, you can count that for 2 and 3 and 4, actually. For your math boxes for today, I went ahead and just highlighted a couple of things to remind you about. For number one, you're comparing team A and team C. So I just highlighted those to remind you to look at those two. Number two is asking you what shape is each face. So remember, the face is the flat side. So I'm pointing to that one for you. For number three, when you're solving it, you're going to be explaining in number 5 how you solved it. I would remind you to look for ways to make 10. For example, 5 plus 5 makes 10. So you might add all the ones first. You might rewrite them all going up and down to solve them. Just explain how you did that in number 5. And then for number 4, you're solving this addition problem. You can use partial sums if you want. If you want to just solve it this way, you can. And then you need to write a ballpark estimate. And I just made a little reminder that means that you need to be rounding those numbers. I remember for 112, you can round to the nearest 100 or to the nearest 10. And then for your home links page, you're doing pretty much the same thing we worked on. You're going to just draw some arrays and some equal groups and write number models for those. And then at the bottom, you're just practicing some addition number sentences. And don't forget to put a unit. Remember, a unit is going to be like a noun, a person, place, or thing, like dogs, muffins, something like